Hello everyone, hope you're well. I am just doing a little fiddling around because I've realized that my face wasn't scaled nicely. And I've set my webcam to be much bigger right now. So that should help. That should help with stuff. And we'll do this one as well because this one will be bugged. Yeah. Hello. There we go. So, today we are getting set up for the GMTK Game Jam. Cool. Let's make a new repo. We're going to call it gmtk Game Jam 2024. Repo for Rue McFarlane's gmtk Game Jam submission. Yep, I need a Unity get ignore. I don't need a license. Gorgeous. Let's make a new project. 2021 Universal 3D Pipeline. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna call this cube. Yep. Sweet. And then while that's loading, we're gonna go to the GMTK Game Jam 2024. We're gonna register. Oh, that's cool. Built to scale. We should probably watch the video on it first as well.
The GMTK Game Jam is back for 2024, and this year it's supersized. A Game Jam is a rapid-fire, game-making event where thousands of people get together to make tiny games that fit a theme. Previous themes have included Roles Reversed, Out of Control, and Joined Together. The theme for 2024 will be revealed the moment the jam begins.
We know what it is.
GMTK Game Jam 2024 begins right now. Your goal over the next 4 days is to make a game that fits the following theme. Built to scale. That's right.
Oh, I
want to see games that make size, scale, and dimensions a key part of the gameplay. I want to see games about teeny tiny microscopic things. I want to see games about absolutely enormous, cosmically massive things. I want to see games where big things become small and small things become big. As always, you can interpret this theme however you like. Use it as a jumping off point. So get creative, think outside the box, and surprise us. In this jam, you can work with who you want, use whatever tools you like, and make use of whatever assets you can get your hands on. But please do check out the GMTK Game Jam page on itch.io for the complete rules. You can also head to our Discord channel to chat with other jammers, show off your work, and get feedback. Remember that this year you're getting twice as much time as before, so please use those extra hours to take lots of breaks and get some sleep. Anyway, I'd better let you get started.
Cool.
Best of
So, here we are in our project. First thing as always, we do this. Big on. New scene. I don't see. Gorgeous. Now, bruh. Oh, fuck it. Is it gonna keep throwing arrows at me? I really don't like it when there are arrows. Motherfucker. Alright, one more time. Remove project from list. Remove project. Let's get rid of it from here. Where did I put it? Probably in... yeah. Be gone. New project. URP. My project called Cube. Put it in the right folder this time, Rupert. Blanc. Whoa. And while that's cooking, let's get rid of all this. Gorgeous. And then while that's loading, let's get up Cube Daddy. Because I'm going to make a package. Oh, I didn't want to open that. Balls. Too many things open. Just going to check out how my videos are doing real quick while that's happening. Hell yeah. Mess by section test we don't need. We do need this. We're gonna export package. Actually, let's just make sure we have all the scripts. We don't need that. We do need all this. Cool. Assets, export package. None. Just the scripts folder, please. Oh, and probably pixel placement. Yeah. And the skyboxes too, why not? No, I don't want to make. I don't want to take any Unity stuff that I've already used. Ah, stuff it. Yeah. Let's go with that. No dependencies. None. I just want pixel placement. Scripts. Skyboxes. VFX. And prefabs, why not? And player input just for fun. Plonk. Great. I don't know why it's in there. Chuck it in desktop. Actually, let's put it in the cube. Git ignore, you go in there too. Packages. Package assets. Plonk. Git ignore. This initial commits. Boink. Boink. Yep. Probably should have named it my original file in. Ah, whatever. Cool. Open that up. Actually, don't. Ah, whatever. Cool. Don't need that anymore. Well, that's loading. Oh. Don't like errors. Cool. So, let us bring in all of it. Great, and then we need Cinemachine. And Text Mesh Pro, probably. Oh, and post-processing. And Text Mesh Pro. I think that's everything I need. Input system. I also need the new input system. Gorgeous. So now we should have a bunch of packages. I don't need this. I don't need that. Gorgeous. Oops. Oh, it crashed. Good. Great. How freaking yeah. Plonk. Plonk. It doesn't have a mesh. Full cube mesh. Doesn't have a material. Color reveal. I don't need color reveal. Actually, you know what? Let's get rid of that. Big on. Make a new cube. That's that. Circle sync we don't need. Squash cubes we do need. Cube 0. Current cube. I forget how this works at all. Whether it should... No, okay. Is it getting current cubes? No, I need the cube data. Let's just chuck cube data on here. Right, it needs all these things. Let's actually just start with a rolling cube. Let's see if we can get that working. Ah, hey Frez. I am working on a game for gmtk Game Maker's Toolkit 2024 Game Jam. I'm doing it. The theme for this game jam is scale, and luckily I've just done a project all about scale. So I'm ripping the code and gonna do like a micro version of that. So what I did recently in a game called Cube Daddy, working title, is I have this cube, and you can roll around and do this, and then you can go into bigger cubes and become the bigger cube. At the moment, I'm just getting, just wanting to be able to roll around. with this new code base. So let's actually just keep this open because I need to be able to look at what the cubes actually need, because it's been a while since I worked on this project. So it's got a missing position, a missing cube mesh. Oh, that's right, yeah. So in cube data, what do I actually need? I don't need this, or this, or this. Actually, no, I do need scale. I don't need that, 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 I don't need that. Now it's going to make a whole lot of errors. But it's going to be okay in the long haul. Because it's all coming back. I did, it's all me. With a little bit of help from my friend. So some of these scripts are cooked because it's all designer. Like, I'm not a programmer. I'm a designer foremost. But this calculate role type script is cooked. I was showing my class that I teach this on one of the first lessons on just like how not to code, and like this is the script that figures out what like role type to do. So if you see in here on our player, it will, this role type enum, there's a bunch of role types that it can do. If else, yeah, it's all just a massive switch case statement. So if I click on my player, which is here, and if you watched this enum variable right here, and I go back to the game, you'll see that it, oh fuck. And if I don't manage to click on something else, there we go. So now you see it's just doing a flat roll, but if I go up next to something, it does a bonk. And if I do this, it does step up and step down. Yeah, exactly. Like, I'm very much in like the prototyping, in the business of getting it working, and then someone else comes along later and cleans it all up. But I really like this movement system because it feels really satisfying to just like snap into the exact position. Ignore the fact that I can like go through that, and then you can fall off. Whee! Bloop. So I'm going to make a little tiny teeny version of that in the next 4 days for this game jam. So what that means is getting rid of all these errors. Yeah, the camera movement took ages to get feeling right. I actually don't need asteroid script. I can just kill that. That would actually be a good use of time. Animation controller we need, asteroid script we don't need. Calculate roll, no, we don't need you either. Calculate roll type we need, camera controller we need, camera follow, cube, data. We need enemy controller we don't need. Game entity yes, gravitational forces no. Player controller yes, pressure plate yes, squash cubes yes, test collision no. Virtual camera controller. I think we do need that. We'll see that. So let's fix some of these errors. That we don't need. This we don't need yet. Anyway, I have some coding work of my own to do. Just so you're streaming, I want to say hi. Good luck with the jam. Thank you very much, Fraz. Very keen to help you with your project as well. I hope your discussion on Monday went well. Sorry, I've been absolutely snowed under. Good luck. I'll see you around. Have a good day. Don't need Oh, hell yeah. Very, very, very keen to be part of it. I'll see ya. I actually don't need any of this merging stuff. I'm going to comment it all out. Wink. I don't need any of this. I do need the teleport, but we won't. Oh, do I? We can make it just so they don't die. Oh, best practice is to just comment it out anyway. Great. Fly movement we don't need. Don't need that either then. Set current cube in the start we don't need. Teleport we don't need. Cool. I guess that's not doing anything, is it? Title cube. Ah, I see. This is Daniel's title cube script. Right. Okay. So, let's see if we can get this little bugger rolling around. I don't need an animation controller yet. We'll deal with all those animations later. Player cannot move, player can move. Just comment that all out. Cool, let's see what happens if I press play. Nope. So, what's not been assigned? We have a cube. We VC. Which variable? The variable VC, virtual camera transform of the player has not been assigned. Oh, we need our camera. Cinemation camera, camera controller. That's got all of them in it, yeah. What if I just chuck this in and see what it do? Let's start in that mode. This is probably going to get shitty at me because there's 2 audio listeners. Oh, but it's all assigned itself nicely. What the fuck? Okay. It's doing something. Look, we don't have errors, so look. I'm counting that as a win. It also is getting shitty at the listeners. Let's fix up this camera controller because I don't actually need... I only need camera 1, I think. Static isometric. No, I want this one. Dynamic isometric locked. Let's get rid of everything else. Camera 1 and 3 we don't need any of. Camera 6 we don't need any of. Cameras, camera 1 by, camera 3 by, camera 5 by, camera 6 by. That's all debugging, we don't need any of that. Don't need any of that, don't need any of this. This is all transition stuff. I don't need to transition the camera at all. At all. I don't need to turn cameras on at all. I will do this. I'll probably just leave this. Actually, no. We can just get rid of everything that isn't camera 2. And we're not worrying about that. Ooh. Actually, shit. Ah, we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. Fuck it. Cool. So we're getting some player input. Get player input. Yep, cool. That's fine. We don't need this, we don't need that. Fade to white in, fade to white out, we don't need. It's in the game manager. And we don't need the load scene. Don't need this. Don't need this. Don't need this. Cool. Gorgeous. Virtual camera. VC transform. Let's grab that. Yo. Oh, yes please. Now?
Now we're starting to cook it.
Yes please. Right. And then this needs to be ISO, ortho. Those are like hard set somewhere. Probably here. follow. What's going on? Where am I? Camera, where are you? It's here. Oh, I see. There we go. Cool. Play up. Cool. We're getting on what the fucks. So, I go into my player, debug movement, stuck. Why are you stuck? Everything. Does this need to be on a particular layer? I forget. How did I do it? Okay. Balls. I think we need to go into the Dicky script, which is in calculate roll type. Ah, shit. Roll layer mask. Yeah. What's it trying to do? Shit broke. It's not getting any of these. Because scale. Current scale 0. There it is. Yeah, why is that getting set to 0? Current scale equals cube datas. Have we got cube datas? We do. What scale? Oh. My god. Dot transform dot scale. Oh fuck it, just equals 1. Cool. Gorgeous, we're getting some errors. Environment's not defined. Magnetic environment's not defined. Is it a tag? It's a tag. I need some tags. Environment. And magnetic environment. Gorgeous. And then this is environment. Close. Player stuck. I want you to debug flat. Roll everything. We're in. Let's freaking go. We have movement. Heh heh. Oh, it's the best. Gorgeous. Okay, so the issue was this needs to be everything. Cool. Let's push that and go have some lunch. Rolling, working. Fantastic. Well, I will leave it there for now. We will be back later. I'm going to go into the city and cut my hair and get a jab, and go to the gym probably. But after that, we're going to keep working on this. Because we really only have today and tomorrow, and like Monday evening, to make this. And I also have that I need to do. Good thing I worked hard yesterday. Anyway, just while that pushes up, make this big. Put this here. Put GitHub over here. Gorgeous. Hell yeah. Oh, sorry. I need to get another cable because this cable's busted. There we go. Yes, fantastic.